Hello everybody, my name is Silvia Raskova and I'm part of DeepTech metal detectors. Today I'm filming this video because I'm so excited to show you our new detector, Vista Gold HOUND. It is right here, next to me. So, today we'll open that box, we'll see what is inside, and then I'll talk a little bit more about the functions of this detector. Okay, let's do this. I put the box this way so you can easily see what's inside. Let's open it. Now, first of all, I want to show you in flesh and blood the electronic box of Vista Gold HOUND. Here it is. I know you've seen it on pictures already, but still, it's more beautiful in person. So, something that I want to put your attention on is that under the electronic box, you'll find your serial number. It is very important to remember and keep it safe somewhere. Good. Here is the battery box, and you open it like this, so you can put the batteries inside. I'll leave that here. Good. What else is inside? We have the two parts of the carbon shaft. So they're carbon and they're super light, and this makes it very easy to swing with them. Good. Something else is this bag. Here are some bands for the arm cup. Here are both nuts and washers for your coil. Here is the battery holder. And here we have a set of alkaline batteries. Have in mind that not all the alkaline batteries give the same life to the detector. So with these batteries that we use, the detector can hold between 28 and 35 hours. But if you get some cheaper batteries, lower quality, it may last much less. So, another very important thing that I want to put your attention on is that bag. Inside there are two things. The first thing is your warranty card. Your warranty card should be filled by us or your dealer, best case scenario. And on the back, there are some recommendations that are important. But besides the warranty card, we have this little thingy. This is not our business card or something that we just put inside the box. This is a flash drive. This is why it says manuals and videos. Inside that flash drive, you can find your detector manual and some videos that might be helpful for you. So if you wonder how to open it, just push here, it opens, and you plug it into your computer. Now all that's left is for me to get the coil out. We have additional piece of cardboard for security reasons, and here is the coil. Please have in mind that this is a new coil. This is designed specially for this detector. This coil is not replaceable with the other 11-inch close. It is 11-inch though. So here we are. Unpacked everything. And let's talk a little bit about the detector. Okay, let's put it together. I will just give some details. I won't be assembling it all together because my table is not that big. But anyways, I'll give you some recommendations. So, I'll start with the coil here. So before everything, we put these on. There are some little holes, so easy to put this on. So we put it here, we put the bolt, and we tighten. Good. So far so good. Have in mind that when we assemble everything, we remove this from the cable and we put the cable around the detector. I won't be doing that in the video, but please, when you put the cable around the shaft, don't tighten it too much. It will cause tension, and we know that it's not good to cause cables tension. They might break at some point. So leave it a little bit loosen, okay? Now, I'll put the second part of the shaft. I open it, I push it, I will make it as short as I can. Here, okay, good. I'll just tighten it a little bit more so it doesn't move that much. Good. Now, I'll put the upper part here. And here we go. We have the whole detector assembled together. Now, I will deassemble it and see you in a while. Now, just a few more words about that detector. I'll start with the name. The name Vista Gold HOUND is not a random name at all. It's not because it sounds good. It's because this detector can sniff the gold like a hound. And I want to remember it like this. Vista Gold HOUND here works on 30 kHz of frequency, which makes it perfect for gold and high conductive metals. Also makes it perfect for small coins. For those of you who know our detectors, you may have used or heard of Vista Gold Gain. Vista Gold Gain is also a 30 kHz detector, very powerful one. We've kept some of the best qualities and functions of Vista Gold Gain, but we've made Vista Gold HOUND even better. Now it's more powerful, deeper, with better separation, better recovery speed, and even more sensitive to smaller objects. Yeah, it is that good. I won't be saying much more. I only want to tell you about that coin. It is 18 millimeters of nickel coin, and that detector here can catch it on 42 centimeters. That's a lot, right? Yeah, for something so small. Okay. We'll talk about the functions and you'll see some more tests in another video. Can you see that little helper here? She's my cat. This is Bagheera. And she was interrupting me filming this video so many times that I had to cut it in pieces. Bagheera, say bye. Bye. See you in the next video.